If you're a professor trying to use AI to save time, the hardest part is not finding tools. It's figuring out which tools are actually worth opening. Despite what every trending academic video seems to suggest, Canva is actually my least favorite AI tool for academic presentations. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, Chris, I already use Canva. And look, I get it. Millions of educators rely on Canva every single day to build presentations, design worksheets, and create stunning visual aids. It is an amazing tool for that. Canva has implanted some AI features such as Magic Presentation, which can whip up a fully designed template in seconds. But for handling actual dense course material or creating precise educational videos, Canva is completely outclassed by 3 specific tools that do heavy academic lifting. If you're new here, welcome to the AI Professor. I'm Chris. I help academics integrate AI into their teaching workflows without losing rigor. Now, Canva AI is great at surface level design, but if you want tools that actually do the heavy lifting, you need to look at how the latest AI updates have completely changed the game. And all these tools that I'm going to discuss today are free to use. When you ask Canva's AI to build an educational deck, it gives you generic surface level bullet points and placeholders because it actually doesn't know your subject. NotebookLM does the exact opposite. Instead of generating fluff, you upload your actual research papers, lecture notes, textbook, and the AI reasons strictly over your data. It constructs an analytically sound presentation structure based entirely on your source material, and it natively exports it directly as a PowerPoint file. Now, I actually did a full comprehensive video deep dive on exactly how to use NotebookLM and leverage its new presentation features, as well as how it creates highly interactive student-facing resources such as quizzes, flashcards, and videos. I highly recommend checking that out right here if you want that step-by-step masterclass. Tool 2 is Gamma. Now, if you want a beautifully laid out presentation without spending hours fixing text wrapping, trying to fit the material into the slide, finding the perfect photo, that's where Gamma AI steps in. Instead of picking a design template first and forcing your text to fit into it, Gamma is a dedicated text to presentation engine. Now, I highly recommend creating specific lecture notes before you use the tool. Once you paste those raw notes into Gamma, its layout engine automatically interprets it and builds a modern, beautifully structured presentation in less than 60 seconds. It handles dense text structures infinitely better than any standard graphic tool. And finally, let's talk about custom visuals. So for years, educators have scoured those stock photo libraries to find diagrams or illustrations that sort of fit their lectures. Canva does have a text-to-image tool, but it often produces unpolished, garbled graphics. The major new image updates in ChatGPT and Google Gemini have completely broken that barrier. You can now prompt these advanced models to generate hyper-specific custom educational diagrams, historical conceptual art, or complex visual metaphors that match your lesson plan perfectly. Just a quick note here. Keep in mind that some of the more advanced high-fidelity video and image generation features require premium tiers like Gemini Advanced, but the leap in visual quality in the free plans are entirely worth it. Keep using Canva for your quick newsletters, flyers, or basic templates, but when it's time to build serious, high-impact teaching presentations that respect your time and your data, try stacking NotebookLM, Gamma, and advanced AI models together. Drop a comment below. Am I being too harsh on Canva? If you have an AI feature inside Canva that actually handles heavy course data without hallucinating, prove me wrong in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.